Welcome to the Dime Investor channel. Today I bring a new video with a new company, which I'm investing now at the moment. It is undervalued. It is in the news sector. It covers the wellness and health sector. So the company name is Beachbody Company Limited. They provide a platform for fitness, nutrition, and stress reducing programs. It operates through actually two different segments, which is Beachbody on demand, and other one is for, which is actually a digital platform, and other one is like lots of nutritions, proteins, bar, and health products. So because of the pandemic, most of the gyms and the park was closed, so people who want to work out, they couldn't do workout and keep their body fit. So we try to look for some options. That's the trend actually that time growth, which is really still on huge growth. So Peloton and Beachbody, they did really well when everything was closed and shut down. So the growth was huge and have a huge potential in front. So that's why I feel like Beachbody has been really overlooked. The price is really undervalued at the moment. So I prefer to get into this one because I find a huge value on this one. So if you're interested about knowing about health and wellness platform, and if you think that's the thing we are moving ahead, maybe you are in the right place. So let's go dive in about the company. So here, let's see about the valuation and stuff. So if you go to the Beachbody analysis, we can see the revenue forecast grow 22.32% per year. Revenue grew last year 19.2% over the past year. Because it's a new company come to public not too long before in this year, so definitely the valuation of the stock is not going to be here inaccurate. So you can see it's showing like more than 3,000% high than overvalued. That's what it's showing. But if you go to the normal stock price chart, you can see the stock price at the moment 8.56 US dollars. It's at the bottom at the moment. If you go to the 1 year chart, we can see there was a huge dip quite a few times. If you go from here, not too long before, from June to till today, the stock price gone down 32.81%. There is a huge marginal safety for us. But if you compare, it's not happen only for Beachbody. Similar things happen to the Peloton as well. So when we see the Peloton 1 year chart, you can see from the top, same again, from the January to till now, the stock price gone down 30% and more. So it is a normal trend at the moment because people think after everything opening up, the stock not gonna do good. So lots of people sell out, and so the price dropped significantly. But my point of view is still, though lots of people go out from the position, sold their stock, but this is the way the whole trend actually moving towards. Most of the people, they're not going to the gym at the moment. They prefer to stick with the subscription plan with the Peloton or Beachbody because they can do their workout whenever they want from their home, from their convenience. So maybe day, night, if you buy a subscription from a gym, it can be open for a particular time, and if it is 24-hour open, there's still not everything there. So in Beachbody, you have lots of options. Actually, you can do the gym together like any group. You can go, you can see what's the workout you want to do. You can interact with the person on the other side. it can be a video, it can be live. So there's lots of options. So people are more getting used to with these kind of things at the moment. The trend is moving towards this one. So because of the huge sell-off, and there's an altering report coming as well in very soon, not too far. So the revenue, people thought because everything opening up, people are going to the gym, so this kind of platform not gonna do well. But actually Beachbody is not a new company. It's been founded 1998. It's here for a long time, so it survived all these years. It's only new in the stock market, but really it is it was there for a long time. Because of the pandemic, actually pushed this kind of a platform very much. So they did really well last couple of years. Though it is a bit slowing down now, so I feel like that's the trend actually we are heading. So I want to invest in that kind of stock, which one gonna do better in the future. And because it is undervalued now, in my point of view, in my opinion, so I'm happily investing on this one. So if you go to the chart price point, we see the future growth, how it is showing in here. It's showing future growth, like forecasting 22.3% per year. And that's kind of growth we are expecting from the Beachbody. Past performance, if you check, that's how it was done last year. It gone down like 311.4%. If you check the graph, actually showing different, and the profit margin gone down as well. So let's see, it's not profitable at the moment. So there's a reason behind this one. If you need an explanation, because of the SPAC, this company come to the market is like on a SPAC. So they need to spend a lot of money to come to the stock market, because they're going through the not IPO, they're going through the special purpose acquisition. If you want to know about this one, what is SPAC, what is IPO, maybe you can check out some of my previous videos. I'm going to put that one on the link. You can check. So that's the reason actually the company need to pay lots of hefty amount of fees, so they spend a lot of money. Let's go to see their financial, what's going on with their financial. So you can see they were doing very well at 2019 to 2020 words, but after slowly the price going towards downward, because 2021 people are going to start going to the gym. Maybe lots of people cancel the subscription, and actually people selling out their stocks. So the financial and revenue gone down. At the moment, if you check the debt ratio, they have some debt at the moment, which is 27.8%, which is not difficultly high, is a satisfactory level. You can see here, they're saying the same thing. So if you check the balance sheet, actually the debt is from 20 million. Actually, they are holding cash like an assets, short-term asset. Actually, investment is more than 20 million. It's like 56 million at the moment. So if you make it times 2, actually, it's like still is all right. I think it's not a big issue to worry about. So after, if you go to the cash runway, that's the point I always looked for. So cash runway, this company still have 3 years cash runway if it maintains its current positive cash flow. And so it's very good thing, the good point to look at. And forecast about the future, body is unprofitable, but it has sufficient cash runway for more than 3 years, even with cash flow being positive and shrinking by 34.7% per year. But still, it can go through next 3 years. So next 3 years, I feel like is a transitional period, and people start moving to some people gonna go to the gym, definitely. No doubt about it, but some people still gonna stick with the subscription plan. I think because of the you say like easy to do kind of things, like no need to, you can do the things when you want, how you want. So I think people are gonna feel more comfortable with this one. So that's how that's my feeling, is like we're gonna heading towards that way. So the management and ownership, what's going on with the management, what's going on with the ownership. And before this one, I'm going to share again, you can see lots of news and information about the Beachbody. If you Google it, you can go through the information. They got lots of equipments, that's what they're selling, and you can subscribe them as well. So if you go to the Peloton, which is doing very good as well, which is not too long ago. Actually, they started their business in 2012, and on the other side, Beachbody, they started their business at 1998. So you can understand actually the compared to the Peloton and the Beachbody have more content actually. They are here for a long time. They have lots of celebrities and lots of trained trainers actually for the fitness training on this platform, and they have a huge content, like a lot of hours of content in there. So if you want to work out, see the videos and things, what to do, is a huge content base there, which is like unbelievable. So it is like an asset for them, honestly. So those are the information here. You can find out lots of information about the Beachbody. If you want to know about the earnings, the Beachbody earnings is coming out at 12th of August. By the time I will release the video, I think the earning will be already released. So I'm expecting that after the earning, the price is going to go a bit down, because I'm not expecting very good earning from them, because of the trend is a bit downward. So that's the reason I'm buying it now. If the trend is going upward, I would hold and wait for the dip. So because it's at the downtrend now, so I'm slowly nibbling in, buying small positions. As a for the transparency, my disclaimer is, yeah, I'm holding some of the Beachbody stock, not too much. It's a very small amount, like a 50 stock ish, like. So I'm gonna buy more slowly nibbling in, because I know the trend is going towards that way. And if you compare to the Peloton stock, and the price of the Peloton stock is really high, and you can see at the moment it's trading like $116-ish. So it was before 156. So if I compare to that one, Beachbody is like very small position at the moment, and the market cap's really small as well. So it have a huge potential to grow. So I can, if I invest in this stock at the moment, I feel like in 5 or 6 years, or for example 3 years, I can have a huge gain from this one. It's completely my opinion. It's completely my thoughts. Actually, you should do your own due diligence before you're investing on this one. So let's see, go dive in. What's the insider doing, and what's going on inside, what they're thinking and thoughts. Is it gonna match with me or no? So if I check the breakdown of the ownership, so you can see lots of individual insider holding 55% of the stock. So actually they have a huge involvement. If the company does well, so they're gonna make good money. So definitely they need to work hard. They should do and execute the things that they want to do, so to make the company perform well. General public holding 31%, institution and the other company is holding is like 0.7, 12%, which is not too much. So there's another good catch here, because not that much institution is investing on this one at the moment. So I would say that's a good stock, because as soon as the earning growing, then they keep buying the stock, definitely. So if you check, actually there's not that much like buy and sell there, but you can see the holding is actually really good. Not that many people selling out any position, so they're all holding it. So definitely it is a good buy, I would say. And if you want to check their trade, one actually they did not too long before 2nd of July, the person bought it is a CEO. It's not too long, 2nd of July. We are in August now. We check other people, they bought it in June. So, and more, if you go down, keep going down, you can see actually they keep buying the stock. So it is a good company, and you can see it's only most of the people they bought it. There's no selling here at the moment. So I feel more confident, because the insider are buying it. They are confident with the company they are working for. They are in it. So I would say it's gonna do very good in the future. So if you want, you can get more information from the ticker as well, the news and earnings coming up very soon. So from my point of view, I'm nibbling in slowly. I feel it's very good a company to get in. And if I go for the analyst, what the analysts are thinking, what's the price point, what's the thinking, let's go have a look before I wrap the video. Make it a bit better for you guys. 1 second. Okay. So what is the analyst estimate? We're gonna check how they're thinking about the stock. So you can see here one analyst saying strong buy about the Beachbody, 2 say buy, 3 say hold, and 4 saying like underperform, and 5 say like solid. And their current price point, we are at the moment $8.56 dollar-ish, and average price is 12, which is like a huge upside. So if you check the change initiating anything here, actually downgrade and upgrade is nothing significant here. Just the one initiated here is to buy, another one to outperform. So that's all for today. I'm not going to go more in depth actually. So that's a Beachbody. I'm thinking to buy in, more nibbling in slowly. So I hope you like the video. If you're still watching, I would say I really appreciate you are with me watching the video. All the forecasts and things I already explained to you guys. I don't want to make it more longer video, and hope you understand everything. And positive things is it don't have that much depth. Insider are buying the stock very heavily. They're holding a huge amount of stock. Have a 3 years cash runway. I have plenty of time. My time horizon also is like 3 to 5 years, and altogether less instant holding as well. So when they're getting in, stock price can be double easily and triple if the company execute their plan well. So I finish up my video here. I don't want to make it more long, so I hope you like the video. If you're still watching, I would really appreciate, and I would say please don't forget to press the like button, and do subscribe and leave a comment, and wait for the next video. And definitely I'm going to surprise you with some more videos, with some new content, new strategy. Maybe you will like it. Okay, thank you very much for being with me. Thank you.